Hi, and welcome to Making Time. My name is Lennart, and I would like to show you how to build a micro house out of wood. Please do tag along for the ride.
There was a little bit of light framework to add to the subframe in order to be able to fix 1 meter wide metal netting. This netting is to stop mice from entering the insulation and also lets the floor insulation breathe. In strategic places I had to fix small boards through which I can later drill for electricity or water without ruining the netting. So this is said netting being applied. Just stapled, in this case with an air stapler, but it could do it equally well with a manual stapler. And like I said, in 1 meter widths. And this is one of my daughters helping out, Evie. Whilst you weren't looking, I rolled some waterproof paper, vapor paper, which will stop water but let vapor pass through. So just lay that straight over the netting. Now putting on the siding so that we can put in the floor framing. The site foreman. The boards are all 2x6 or 15 by 45, 4.5, sorry. Large nails on either end, and then later on I'll put a bracket in the middle on the center beam. So every beam got a bracket in the middle as well, every floor beam. time for the insulation. This is a wood-based insulation, so 6 inches, 150 millimeters thick. It comes in these packs, as you see. Just a question of squeezing it in. Gotta keep the foreman happy. You know he's happy when he barks a lot. You can just saw the insulation with a normal saw. It's a bit messy, but it works okay. So, applied some more vapor paper, waterproof paper, that does allow the building to breathe, and then a waterproof chipboard tongue and groove board, 20 millimeters thick, 3/4 inch. So this was just nailed down, nothing to it really. Job done.
Let's call that good for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please do like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!